I'm not a Ronaldo fan, but I'm not a Messi fan either.
We've been here before. If Martinez does not think he has the capacity to bench Ronaldo, let us all prepare for what is going to happen.
Personally, I have a bias against Roberto Martinez.
About structural problem.
Nobody gets excited to say, I want to play Brazil in the world. You get exactly.
Nobody wakes up in the morning.
Yeah, so it's okay. Give me Brazil, like
go.
Brazil will give me. We saw and what we saw the competition do, and I don't need to stress with because I'm sure everybody in the whole world.
Say it with your chest. Say it with your chest. I repeat,
I'm sorry.
Ronaldo will start for Nigeria.
Had no business playing 90 minutes.
All right, thank you so much for joining us. This is Savvy Football World Cup special. Yes, powered by the Oracle. My name is Cosmos Chukwemeka. The guys are here. Deji is here. Anti-Portugal or anti-Cristiano Ronaldo person. How are you doing, Deji?
I'm very well, not anti-Portugal, please.
But
I'm not
anti-Cristiano
anti-Portugal. I like Portugal. I love Portugal as a country.
But
The other one, maybe.
The other one, maybe.
Maybe.
All right, Simi is here to ensure that the excesses of DG is just like what Fumbi did the last time. Simi, you're welcome.
Thank you.
To
Thank
Savvy
you.
Football World Cup special.
Thank you.
Yes.
It's been a pleasure.
I was thinking Fumbi was going to be here, so that it's going to be a very rich conversation. Thank you so much for joining us. Now, the World Cup has started. Germany looked like a machine after they defeated Curacao with that very high score. Brazil damaged a lot of people's prediction against Morocco. Spain were held by debutants Cape Verde or Cape Verde, whichever you want to call. Portugal could not defeat DR Congo, despite the fact that they had Cristiano Ronaldo. France, yes, they avenged what happened several years ago in 2002 at Korea, Japan, as they defeated Senegal. England, they scored 4, but still there are a lot of questions to be answered regarding the way they play. And the first Superbru round 1 winners have been confirmed. Yes. So today we're asking one question. Was round 1 real evidence, or are people still overreacting? I mean, it's just a sitting period, right? So my guys are here. So very quickly, let's go into this. Yes. Germany versus Curacao, 7-1. The verdict, straight to the point. 1 into the tournament or opponent tax. Choose one.
The opponent
1 into the tournament?
No. I don't think not Germany, Curacao. I think the opponents were not up to scratch.
They're not up to scratch.
No.
So it was opponent tax.
Yes.
What about you?
I'll say opponent talks as well.
Okay. They're agreeing together. All right. Brazil versus Morocco ended 1-1. Yeah. Is it a Brazilian problem or a new coach syndrome, or Morocco actually made a statement? Simi, you first.
I'll say Morocco made a statement.
What about you?
I think it's more of a tactical problem on the side of the Brazilians.
Okay.
But I shouldn't take away from what Morocco did.
I know you will like this one. Portugal won, DR Congo won. Was it a structural problem for Portugal, or is it first game rust? Normal first game answer.
Babala structural problem. I don't think you want me to
They
say
have
more.
issues.
They have one issue.
See me.
They have an issue.
Wait, now let's be answer.
They have one structural problem, but yeah, I think it's a structural problem.
You see that this is the third person that is coming and is agreeing with me.
Deji nice to you. Don't agree with him. Don't agree. Deji not a nice person.
No. There's a solution to my own structural problem, but I don't know about his solution.
Okay. Spain, Cape Verde. People should be patient, or there's a sterile possession.
I think patience. In 2010, when they won, they lost the first game, if I remember. So I think people should be patient with Spain.
Is there about sterile possession for them, or let's just be patient?
I would say it's a mix of both, to be honest. I'll say it's a mix of both because, again, you should be beating Cape Verde, but then again, we've seen Spain not start the competition properly and then go on to win it. So I'll say it's a mix of both.
Okay, England. They won 4-2 against Croatia. Dangerous attack, especially with Rashford and Kane. Or defensive anxiety. Simi?
I would say in the first half, we saw defensive anxiety because Croatia were able to come back twice. But I think in the second half, we now saw like a higher level of what England can do.
Mixture of the both.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yunko, dangerous anxiety, dangerous attack or defensive anxiety.
I would say a mixture. I think I was a bit impressed with England in the second half. So I would say mixture of both.
So you agree with Fumbi is coming home? We'll talk about that.
I'm still not agree.
We'll talk about that later. Argentina 3, Algeria 0. Champions, are they in control? Or it was just an easy opener, Deji?
I would say a bit of both.
Easy opener.
Easy
Algeria,
opener
former champion of Africa.
and the champions with the GOAT in form.
At least if Nigeria can beat Algeria 2-0, who is Argentina that is bigger, Abi?
Okay, the people that play Congo DR, I don't understand why
We'll
they
come
don't
back to that one.
At least those ones beat us now.
See
We'll
me?
go back to Google.
Those ones did not beat you. They not beat you in normal time.
They beat
It was
us.
via penalty. See me? Yes. Champions, are they in control?
Yeah.
It was just an easy opener.
No. Champions were setting down a marker. It's clearly the most difficult game they have in the group. And we saw how it was a very easy victory for them. So I think that's just champions putting down their marker.
So let's pick the most dangerous tie in this game. You know, the obvious Superbru picks, yeah? Brazil versus Morocco, Portugal versus DR Congo, Spain versus Cape Verde, Belgium versus Egypt, Saudi Arabia versus Uruguay, the Netherlands versus Japan. Simi, which one was the most dangerous game? Your dangerous pick in this one?
I think the dangerous pick would have, for me, is Spain and Cape Verde, because I mean, it was the easiest pick. It was it was basically playing with house money, exactly, and everybody lost house money. So I mean, yeah, that's
everybody
like
got bumped.
Yeah, everybody. I don't think anybody escaped it.
Deji,
I agree completely with Simi.
why are the both of you agreeing today?
I was about to say that it appears your plans didn't work this time.
Fumbi, I need you to come back to this show. Fumbi, I need you to come back to this show. Anyway, no problem. Now, I mean, which one, round one result, which of the round one results is the strongest evidence out of all of this that I've mentioned? Strongest evidence. Simi?
I'll say strongest evidence would be Argentina, like I said earlier again, playing the most difficult among the opponents in the group. Well, technically, depending on who you're asking, right?
And became the most easiest.
Suddenly
So far.
became easier. Do you get so? There's that. So I would say Argentina was that one for me.
I would say England.
England.
Croatia is a very strong side.
Okay.
Yes, they have a number of aging players, but the fact that they were able to dispatch Croatia the way they did,
It was difficult though.
yeah, but no, I think that was one of the closest ties in terms of the quality of both sides.
Yeah.
So the way they were able to, at the end of the day, dispatch Croatia, I think for me, I took that I was very impressed by England.
All right. So, which results are people overreacting to? I mean, I have an answer, but let me ask you. See me. Which result that people are talking about and is as if is exaggerated?
I would say two results. I would say two.
Yeah, which one?
First is the Germany-Curacao one, like I said.
Okay.
Cakewalk. You should be able to take care of Curacao and the likes. I would say the second one, well, it might not be a popular pick, but I think everybody's being overly dramatic about the Portugal tie. I mean, it's 1-1. It's not like they lost, but then again, I mean, you can't say Portugal's tournament is over just because they drew 1-1 with the Congo.
Yes.
Same question.
What was the question again?
Which one are people overreacting to?
Okay, definitely I would say the Spain Cape Verde match.
I felt it's a human and good story. So yeah, I think we agree on that
agree
part.
on that.
Spain did not.
Yeah.
First time we agreed on something. Yeah, but Deji, which warning are people ignoring?
Which warning?
Yes, which warning are people ignoring? Is it Germany defeating Curacao? Or even Cape Verde drawing against Spain, like the team that people are looking at and people are ignoring them. That
people are ignoring the team that they're not doing well enough.
Which one?
I think I was a bit impressed by Japan.
Japan.
Yes, that game with the Netherlands, they showed a passion and a drive and a never die spirit, which I think I may be wrong, but from that game, I think I was impressed by them.
Simi.
I would like to say, well, I know the question is what's one team impressed you the most, right? That
Like
people were
something that
expecting.
team that people are really ignoring.
But I would like to give like a group shout out. I think the African countries that didn't lose, the African countries that didn't lose. Yeah, I need
whether
to
they
listen.
drew,
Whether they drew or they won.
Yes.
Only 2 African countries won, by the way.
Yeah, but I'm just saying because a couple of the African guys were not the favored side in their games, and you know, we back home we've seen the AFCON over the years, and we've seen how good African teams have been developing over the years. So I would like to give like that big shout out to the African teams so far that have not lost in this restaurant.
Okay,
I think I would like to add my voice to that.
agree.
Certain teams, Congo,
Okay.
Morocco,
Cape Verde.
yes, as well. They were impressive.
For me, I feel it's South Korea. Nobody's looking at South Korea. The way they play, the way they play is just so robotic. Yeah. So let's get into the second segment, and this is the part where I know that the both of you will talk. And please do not agree with each other. Do not agree with each other at all, because
You shouldn't be too sure.
It appears Simi has very good
You shouldn't be too sure, but
good insights into football.
but I'm sure we'll disagree at some point. Don't worry.
Okay, we'll disagree at some point.
We
All
will
right.
disagree at some point.
So let's go very quickly. Now, Brazil results 1-1. I mean, was Brazil unlucky? Were they just cautious, or genuinely not as scary as people would think?
I think Ancelotti got his tactics wrong. And I think if they're not careful, if he doesn't course correct quickly, we might be shocked with what's going to happen to Brazil.
I mean, Simi, of course, we've seen teams have slow starts. I mean, teams have normal slow starts.
Yeah.
Do you understand? But do you think it's like a fraud alert team? Or Morocco were just so good?
So I think it was a
okay,
mix. It was a mix of things. It was a mix of things in the sense that, first of all, Brazil had to give respect to the opponents. But like I said, last World Cup, they were semi-finalists. They are, contentious African champions, depending on who you're asking.
The Joe African champions. Okay.
The cult African champions. but then again, if you look at the fact that I think Brazil were a bit underprepared, like I said, like they rightfully said. However, Morocco were also up to the task, like we all know they could be. So again, it's like a flash warning of some sort. If, like you said, if they don't course correct, I'm already hearing rumors about maybe Hendrick starting in the second game or something.
Okay, I don't think that's a solution.
I mean,
don't think that's
Neymar
a
can
solution.
play till the
We
third
can't-
game.
yeah.
No. I don't think you need
Exactly.
a Neymar.
Neymar might be ready for
I
the
don't think you
third
need a
game.
Neymar at this point. I don't think when you are starting Rafinha in the middle and pulling
but you know, then again on the right.
I'm sorry. I'm
So, but then
wondering.
again, if we didn't see the full Brazil side, as you might call it. Of course,
Yeah.
some people might
I
say,
don't think we needed to see the full Brazil side. The quality of the players out there, you don't need to overcomplicate.
But I felt they had a good game, especially when they conceded. And of course, they started playing now not too long after they got a goal.
No.
They didn't have a
Let's
good
not
game.
do that. Let's not do that.
They didn't have a good
Let's
game.
not do that. Vinicius' goal was simply the magic of the man.
Okay.
That was
the magic, not the team,
No, of the man.
of the man himself.
Yes, himself. So for me,
Do you agree?
not necessarily, because at the end of the day, we saw Brazil have like a couple of other half chances.
Do a lot of half chances.
Yeah, we saw Igotia go a couple of times. Looked like he was fluffing his lines. But again, I still think they didn't respect the opponent enough. I think if they respected the Moroccan side for what they are, they probably would have gone to that extra gear that we believe they are capable of getting to. But we didn't see that. So it's only natural for you to believe that they weren't good enough on the night. But like I said earlier, I still think they have to make a lot of tactical changes before the second game.
Before we leave this Brazil-Morocco talk, let me ask you, is Brazil still dangerous?
yes.
Did they go find the World Cup?
You see, that one I can't ask. I can't answer this.
Are they still dangerous?
A team that has Vinicius, that has Rafinha, that has Martinelli, that has Paqueta, that has Bruno Guimaraes, that has Gabriel. No, serious.
And then there's Neymar on the wings.
Even for me, Neymar is even a luxury. It's even a luxury.
It's even a luxury. So
Yes.
they're still very dangerous.
No,
but you don't
no,
know whether they will go far. Are they dangerous?
I mean, 5-time champions. You have to give them their respect.
The history is
They will
there.
always be dangerous. No. They
They
will always be dangerous.
Okay.
Nobody gets excited to say, I want to play Brazil in the World Cup. Do you get exactly? So
Nobody wakes up in the morning.
yeah.
and
So it's
play
okay. Give me
today,
Brazil.
let's
Like
go.
Brazil will give me. However, I still think we need to, like I said, we need to give them that respect because again, they are champions. But we've
Will they
looked
go
at
far?
the squad. Would they go far? I don't want to drop my final prediction of where I think they will end up yet, but far is very relative. How far are we looking at?
Brazil is, when you say far,
Okay.
Brazil,
Oh, wait.
it
So for you,
means
it's
you're
even
talking-
relative, yeah?
Yeah, I mean,
No,
We shall get to the round of 32.
oh, you absolutely.
Round of 32?
I expect them to get to the restaurant.
You expect them to
I
get to
expect
the
them
restaurant.
get to
All
the
right.
restaurant.
Spain, goalless against Cape Verde. Is this just Spain being, okay, let's be patient, or their possession was very, very sterile?
I think Spain's fixture was a bit of what we call the magic. I mean, everybody calls it the magic of the FA Cup, but we're going to borrow it for here. It's the magic of the World Cup. We saw something similar last World Cup with Argentina and Saudi Arabia. We've seen like different World Cups in time past, France, Senegal.
That team started
2002, where
started
teams start
slowly.
shaky, yeah, but then they
Get better.
get better as the competition goes. So I think it's going to somewhat be similar for Spain. I think there's a chance for them to make a rebound in the second game, put things in right perspective, and then we can see where they go from there.
So is it a slow starter thing?
So if you even look at the way they started the game without Yamal, without Nico Williams. So you could, for me, I think they went into that game with a mindset that this may be easier than other games. And I also know that they are being cautious about the fitness of Yamal as well as Nico Williams. So I think we should be patient. Yes, Spain has a tendency of sometimes being sterile with their possession.
Yeah.
But they've shown through the years that they have the capacity to elevate their game to go beyond that. So let's not jump into conclusions just yet.
By the way, as an added information, the William brothers are the only or the second brothers that will be participating at the World Cup with different teams. One with Ghana, the other with Spain. All right, let's move. All right, so next game, Senegal versus France. We know it ended 3-1. Was that expected? First of all,
I expected it to be a closer game. And to be fair to Senegal, they created chances in the first half, but they didn't just have that clinical
that
edge.
result wasn't a close game for you. The result wasn't close.
No, I would again
I thought it was
say,
end to end.
No, that's my point. In the first half, Senegal had actually very good chances.
Yeah.
Jackson played better than I've seen him play
Ever.
ever in his career.
Trust me, he played well for Bayern Munich. He played well for Bayern Munich.
Okay, I hear you. But Bayern is on top of every game. They are the best team on the field in most games in Germany. But in this World Cup, playing France, Senegal wasn't the better team. But they created good chances in the first half. They didn't have the capacity to finish them. And France just showed their quality.
See me, as an African, this result, was it acceptable? Africa champions against France.
So there
Was it
are
acceptable?
two ways you could look at it, right?
Okay.
First is that, well, again, like I said, when we're in the World Cup, we give people their due credit, especially those who have done things before, e.g. France, Brazil, and the likes, right? However, I still expected a better game from Senegal. I expected better use of their chances because, again,
They had a lot of chances
Yeah, they had
in
a
the
lot
first
of half. Yeah, you could
By the
argue
way, they
them.
actually scored 2 goals that were chopped off.
I mean, beautiful,
Goals.
fantastic goal from
Yeah,
Nicolas
exactly.
Jackson.
2 of
If
them
it wasn't
that were chopped
offside,
off.
it's probably
They
a
were very
contender
good
for
goals, yes.
the goal of the competition or something. But again, the moment they couldn't match up to that France tempo in the second half, the game just went away from them.
Did they fail the African test?
I mean,
the first real African test, not Mexico versus South Africa, but the day
exactly.
was it a failure of the first
I think they could have gotten a draw. I believe they
against that French side? Do you agree, Deji?
They could have made it out.
no,
To be honest,
would
they
you
could have
agree?
made it
No,
out.
I don't agree. I don't agree.
So you don't think that Senegal side could have come home
I don't
from
think
with that
so.
game
So
at 1-1?
you
I
expected
don't
France
think so.
to beat them.
I expected a victory for France. I didn't expect it to be easy, and the game wasn't easy.
It
I don't
wasn't
think
easy,
I don't
I
think
agree.
Senegal embarrassed Africa. I think they put up a good fight, but they didn't just have the legs to carry it.
Were
Or the
Senegal
squad
underwhelming?
to. I don't think so. I don't think so.
I would say some select players were underwhelming.
Yes,
yeah,
but
because I'm not
generally-
trying to pick out like scapegoats or anything. But for
I
example,
know you will say Jackson. Say it.
No,
Jackson-
So it wasn't
Jackson
even
played
Jackson.
well.
It wasn't
He
Jackson.
played
But I
well.
would say, for example,
I won't take him at us now, but he played well.
Koulibaly had faults in 2 of
For me,
Mbappe's
Koulibaly
goals.
should not be in the defense of Senegal anymore.
You can't
Come
buy
on.
that experience though.
I know the experience, but
You can't buy the
age has-
experience.
That age.
Who will you
has
replace
gotten
So,
him
on
but
it.
would you rather have what's his name now? The Chelsea kid start Sa. You can't have Sa start ahead of exactly.
What did Chelsea do?
No. I'm just saying that
just
the
saying.
kid. I'm just saying that the kid is not. We saw him play at the AFCON. He started at the AFCON.
Yeah.
Everybody thought he was the next big thing for Senegal's defense.
Yeah.
I'm not saying, you should throw him into the fire game 1 against France. But I'm just saying that if Senegal has to start looking at Koulibaly to say, we might need to move away
So
from
Senegal- Africa should
At the
okay.
AFCON, he didn't play Mbappe. At the AFCON, he did not play Olise. At the AFCON, he didn't play
That's true.
Dembele.
Senegal actually
So
played
please,
some easier teams before the final.
Let's
But
not,
let's leave
well,
that.
let's not
But
do
let's- But I would say though, again, they are the African champions.
Okay.
They are our best side as a
Okay.
continent, so they should be able to do something.
Should Africa worry that their champion were defeated 3-1?
Oh, no,
No.
I think Senegal
No.
is going to find their way back. I believe they're going to
So
find their way
they're
back.
still alive.
that.
Oh, yeah,
Definitely,
yeah.
definitely. With
Okay.
the way they played,
Yeah.
particularly
They're
in that
still
first
alive.
half.
Yeah, the first half, from what I saw in the first half, of course, they're still alive.
Let's talk about the perfect description of a bad day in the office. Tunisia won, Sweden 5.
Now that is the real African embarrassment.
But again, I
Was
don't know
it
why
a
people are
bad day in the office
surprised.
for them?
No,
Were
no,
they
no.
outclassed? Is it a system failure for them?
I think it's their level.
their level
What
against
hold on.
against a Potter Graham.
Graham Potter. But you have Isaac and Gyökeres.
Yeah,
But coming back.
players.
But coming back.
Okay, but
What
you
did
shouldn't lose 5-1.
But hold on.
But
now.
5-1.
Hold on.
5-1.
What
The
did
World Cup?
what did Tunisia
That they
do?
had to sack their coach.
What did Tunisia do?
that day?
What did
Sorry,
Tunisia
we're in
do?
time zones.
What did Tunisia do at the AFCON?
Tunisia do at the AFCON.
What did
I
they
think-
do
I think
to-
they got to the second round.
At AFCON,
Yeah.
second half, Tunisia.
But I think you would agree
But they
with me that
qualified.
they shouldn't lose 5-1.
It's not 5-1.
Your first game of
that
the
was
World
the
Cup,
biggest
you shouldn't
loss
be
of an
losing
African
5-1
side.
to Sweden.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, sorry. There's a big loss of African side. What am I saying? There's a big loss. DR Congo, when they were Zaire, they lost to West Germany 9-0 in 1974. Yes.
I mean,
But
But in
again,
recent time, it's a big one.
let's
so for
Let's
me,
go.
I'll repeat. It's their level. I'm sorry. And
It's their
I
level.
mean no offense
So
to
it
Tunisia.
wasn't as if it's a
I
bad day in
wasn't
the office.
surprised. I wasn't surprised.
They were not just at par.
I didn't expect anything from Tunisia. And I still don't expect anything.
They were
from
outclassed.
They were outclassed, they were outplayed, they were outmuscled,
Whatever
they were
adjective you
put
want
out
to
of the game. Anything that has to do with out, they were. I mean,
Tunisia. Sure, they didn't leave the dressing
yeah,
room.
they.
But for a North African side,
I mean, you can.
was it a systemic failure?
No, I would say because again, because North African sides are typically perceived. I wouldn't say they are the
As
best.
technically gifted.
Yes, but then again, like he said, Tunisia are probably like the last of the bunch of the North African sides, right?
At the moment.
Yes. However, I still believe you should put up a better fight. Your first game at the
You
World
can't
Cup.
do more than yourself, my brother. You can't do more
So
than
are we
yourself.
expecting?
You can have the heart
They
of
have
the
brought in
champion.
Hervé Renard,
Yeah.
yes, who is a top coach.
Okay.
But are we looking at a group stage exit for them?
For Tunisia?
Yeah.
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 I think that's a rhetorical question.
Answer now, yes or no?
No, but again,
An
Hervé
obvious
Renard-
yes.
I love your
Obviously, yes.
You agree.
Hervé Renard has the opportunity to change what he
Things.
says
I
that
mean,
he's
he
doing.
has about 7-8
Is it-
days.
Is he going to bring players that they were not called up?
Same players will still be there.
No, it's the same players,
Let's
but
stop
he
this.
can still make
Let's-
them work.
let's-
I mean, he
Anyway,
can make them work.
It will be entertaining.
We've seen him. We saw what he did with Saudi Arabia last World Cup against Argentina,
And what did they
and he had one of the most
Where
magical.
What did they use it?
What-
Moment.
One of the most magical moments in
Moments.
World Cup
I
history.
don't know
That's
why we're not
halftime
talking
TikTok.
about another African side, Ivory Coast. I felt, despite the odds, they had a good game.
Oh yeah,
So yes, they did well. Rode their luck a bit.
yeah. I
Rode their
agree.
luck a bit. Same thing with Ghana.
Slightly better than Ghana.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm
Actually
saying.
better than Ghana.
Yeah, better than Ghana.
Because
They
Ghana
play better
was-
than Ghana.
no,
Yeah.
Ghana was
who is not better than
Ghana. No, the truth
Maybe
is that
Tunisia.
Ghana was terrible. I'm going to say
Maybe
it
Tunisia.
against Panama. Honestly speaking, Panama deserved to win that game
It's the
just
story
because
of
we're
football.
not prolific
So-
on goal. But Ghana had their chance.
But you didn't. I mean, if you didn't do it, you didn't do it.
They didn't do it.
you
That
know-
was the first win. That's the first win of Ghana in about 7 games. Oh, they celebrated.
I do.
It's-
At least, if you were there, won't you celebrate?
They celebrated in more than 7 games. Oh,
Yeah, I mean, because you should be beating Panama.
you should be beating Panama.
I'm sure some of the people at and the Oracle don't even agree with Ghana because they probably had Ghana doing a lot better than they did, but it was a last minute goal, 90 plus
last
5.
minute, last shot.
Last shot. So I mean, they can be better. They should be better.
All right, so let's go to the last game, and I kept it for the last because of this man. Portugal had a 1-1 draw against DR Congo. In fact, against Portugal, DR Congo got their first goal of the World Cup ever. 52 years and 3 days to the day that they for some of you that are watching outside of Nigeria, means they were exited from the World Cup in West Germany in 1974. Now Germany, right? Good. It was what was his name? Johan Wissa, right? That got the first. That guy is already a legend of DR Congo against Portugal. So, Deji, please, I would urge you to try as much as possible to be
To be what?
very objective. Try. Just try. It will not kill you.
I'm an objective man.
Well, the jury is out on that.
Okay.
But it will not kill you. So try.
Okay. What's
so
your
can we
question?
do this again?
Yes. What's your question?
Is Portugal team I mean, what happened? Was it a matter of Portugal being a team or a collection of names still negotiating Ronaldo's role?
A collection of names negotiating Ronaldo's role.
Ronaldo is not supposed to be in that team.
The truth of the matter is, when some of us spoke earlier, and I know it might, some people will see me say, "Oh, it's just one match. It's just one match."
It's just so much.
Are you a Ronaldo fan? You're
Can-
thinking about it.
Can I pass?
No, don't pass. Are you a Ronaldo fan? Yay or nay?
I'm not a Ronaldo fan, but I'm not a Messi fan either.
Okay.
Who do you prefer?
None.
Say the truth. I've heard you before
None.
talk about Cristiano Ronaldo.
None.
Which one do
The
you
greatest footballers to have ever existed is the late Pele, as far as I'm concerned.
Sorry,
That's a man.
Can I stand up?
That's a man
Can I
after
stand
your
up?
heart. Don't stand up. Don't stand up. Don't stand up. Don't stand up. Don't stand
So,
up.
I'm not-
Don't stand up.
I'm not going to.
Can you
I'm not-
stretch your hand?
Well, I'll give you a knuckle from here.
Knuckle bomb. Because that is what I think too.
Okay,
Think,
Pele
no.
lovers.
See me, I like you. I like you. I like you. Please, my producer, can't be having Simi on every show. I like him.
I don't understand why you be people
Anyway,
that, people
the
that
best-
didn't see him play are talking
the
about
best
him.
footballer alive is Messi, but dead and alive.
Oh, so you
Pele.
admit that?
I know it has been.
okay,
I know it's Messi now. So,
Okay.
but dead
Are
and
you
alive
sure?
Okay.
for me, Messi.
Are
But
you
dead
sure?
and alive, Pele
Are you
is
sure?
the greatest. But no problem. I mean, you have heard him. We know he doesn't have any love for Cristiano Ronaldo. So let me ask you: was it slow start for Portugal, or there is a Ronaldo distraction?
It's a mix of both. And I would say, first off, it's a slow start in the sense that you should be beating DR Congo, right? Everybody knows that. I'm sure if
Based
you
on
go-
pedigree.
pedigree, the quality of the squad depth, you look at the quality of the players, the leagues they play in. I know, of course, Congo has a mix of Premier League proven players like Wan-Bissaka and Johan Wissa.
And some of them
likes.
playing top leagues.
Yeah,
in
top
French
leagues, French
in
leagues
the
and the likes.
Portuguese
But
league.
I mean, we know the gulf in quality between Portugal and DR Congo. Now, with that being said, I think they also have a Ronaldo problem. They have a Ronaldo problem in the sense that we
Sorry,
saw.
I don't think you should say I think. At the last World Cup, what happened?
No. But
Ronaldo was not on the field.
But we are working
So it
with.
is
But we're going to
proven.
work
Hold
with.
on.
We're going to work with what we saw, right?
Hold on.
And
Did Ronaldo, did he have a good game?
no, I mean, if we
I thought he
judging
did.
by
I thought he
if we look at what Ronaldo, judging by the game we saw and what we saw the competition do, and I don't need to stress through I'm sure everybody do
Say it
want
with your chest. Say it with your
everybody
chest.
do want saw what the competition do a couple of hours before, right? However, with that being said, I still think they had a Ronaldo problem in the sense that we saw chances that should have been taken, chances that should have been left. I don't have to say
There
more
was
than
just
that.
one chance that should have been left.
There was one big chance that should have been left.
One big chance that should have been
I'm
left.
just correcting you, but there were a couple of other, little decisions here and there.
I felt he tried to do the assist and all that.
Sorry, we
Just open your leg and let the ball roll.
Let's continue.
Let's not beat this.
Was
up
it a
so much.
tactical issue from Roberto Martinez?
The guy, see,
Roberto Martinez, because it can't be like say Portugal want to play like Spain,
see,
and their own is always is high press.
See.
So they are
Let
now
us-
playing tiki taka.
sorry, we've been here before.
Uh-huh.
If Martinez does not think he has the capacity to bench Ronaldo, let us all prepare for what is going to happen. And when it happens, nobody should come here and tell me you didn't expect much from them already.
Simi, do you think he's overreacting?
So why I would say is he's not necessarily overreacting, and he could be overreacting in the sense that I'm also of the opinion that what's his name now, Roberto Martinez. I mean, personally, I have a bias against Roberto Martinez. I think, and I'm going to be upfront about it. You can argue with me if I'm right or wrong, but I think he wasted Belgium's golden generation.
It's
in
not I
2018.
think he wasted. He
Is it-
wasted.
Yeah.
I don't know.
A better manager would have beaten
See me.
France in that semi-final.
See me.
2018.
Yes.
See me. I don't understand how Martinez keeps failing upwards.
Yeah.
They were too feeling up.
Yeah, I mean, you wasted
got
one
relegated.
generation
You got
rewarded with the next generation of Portugal's
no,
golden
you are failing
golden
upward
generation.
But when they got relegated, he won the FA Cup that same year.
But he got relegated. Next thing, he gets a job
As Belgium manager,
with the best squad
they will
that
ever have,
they probably ever
And
have.
they scored a lot of goals.
and still did not bring
And
it
did
home.
not, did not,
They did not win anything.
So that's why
no
I said
Euro, no World
he
Cup.
could have done better. Even with the DR Congo game, for example, he didn't show it
Tactical
like he's
now.
that, as a next
You know,
level
because
manager.
Portugal are known for high press. Then they're not playing tiki
He
taka.
plays a man that, from all evidence, is not. I'm not talking about Ronaldo now. I'm even talking about the man he played on the right wing. The man from Man City who is now left.
Bernardo Silva.
Bernardo Silva.
Before Conceição came in.
Yeah,
You saw the difference. You saw the difference. So, sorry, excuse me. How Ronaldo played 90 minutes in that match?
I'm sorry that I have
I
to agree
repeat.
with Deji.
I
Yeah,
repeat.
I'm sorry.
Ronaldo won't start for Nigeria.
Had no business playing 90 minutes.
Ronaldo will not start for Nigeria.
Wait.
Would you start Ronaldo ahead of Victor Osimhen?
Hold on first. Say that again.
Ronaldo, Cristiano, counterfeit
Deji.
Ronaldo will not start
Deji.
for Nigeria.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this point, where you want to hold somebody responsible, accountable, is this barrister Deji here? How would you say that Ronaldo, the great Ronaldo, Cristiano Ronaldo will not start for Nigeria?
No, this current Ronaldo, not Ronaldo of 4 years ago or 6 years ago.
Not Cristiano
Even
Ronaldo.
Ronaldo of 4 years ago would have started for Nigeria. Because
Are
he
you
didn't,
sure?
start, he didn't start for Portugal when it mattered now. It's not 4 years ago. It was at Qatar.
But we didn't qualify when you matter.
But the Osimhen of then and the Ronaldo of then, who would you start?
But the Osimhen of days why we did go to the World Cup too. I'm
It's
just
not
saying.
the reason. It's not the reason. It's not the reason.
combination
I'm
of
just
the part of
saying.
it. It's
I'm
part
just
of
saying.
it.
I
It's
mean,
part of
if
it.
we are going to put him in the mix for
in
it.
20 at that World Cup, I think they are just won
The Nations League,
when did Napoli win the league?
the league. That's
That same year.
yeah.
So what are you talking about?
They are not just won the way, they were going to win some money.
So
but then,
do you want to compare
where
the
he
two?
was supposed to score a good game, wanted to do Sangalo.
Sangalo, and we didn't go to that World Cup.
whatever you want to say, I repeat it.
So that's why
By the way,
he's
Sangalo
not starting for Super
I mean,
Eagles.
what-
I'm sorry.
It's a bicycle case.
He
It's a
will
bicycle
start
kick.
up
That's what
front
we call
with
it, yeah.
Victor Osimhen for Super Eagles. The goat, assistant goat, deputy
Who
goat.
is the assistant goal?
If he's your goat,
Wait, who is the
I be your
assistant goal?
Asu.
you will start alongside with Victor Osimhen for the Super Eagles.
Okay, so
Alongside.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe alongside.
let's talk about the receipt table very quickly. Round one did not just expose countries, it exposed predictors, like you watching me, right? Round one winners have been confirmed. Yes, we've had the winners. People like Deji. What's the position again?
I didn't start early. I missed about 2 games. At
That
the
is why
beginning.
you should start early.
Yeah.
Then, of course, would you agree with me, Deji, that games like Brazil versus Morocco, Portugal versus DR Congo, even Spain versus Cape Verde, actually damage a lot of confident picks?
My brother, Spain versus Cape Verde, only 1% of predictors got that game right. So you can imagine a lot of like the World Cup.
No, in our Oracle game,
Yes.
the embassy, I'm not sure anybody got, especially the Spain versus Cape Verde game. I'm not sure a lot of people got that, right?
So, like I said, some of us expected that because the World Cup had been expanded, that the games would be a lot more predictable because the difference in the quality of the sides will be more evident. But I must say that hasn't proven to be the case. So
Okay.
the games have been very difficult to predict,
Very difficult.
and
to
the
predict.
results are showing that.
All right, so let's talk about the winners. Let's now announce the winners. A certain Mikey Mares was a round 1 winner. Yes, was a round 1 winner. Then,
Congratulations
of course,
to him.
congratulations. Then Kumisola 10 came second. And then there is
Congratulations.
a joint third.
Yes.
The joint third is
Yes.
Cosmos joint third. They share the prize.
Cosmos, you know we're doing this show together. You need to share some of that prize with
Why
me.
you
Send it to
share
us.
Cosmos?
It's you. Stop it. It's you.
Hold on. Wait,
It is
am I the
you.
only person behind Cosmos?
You are the only Cosmos I've met. So as far as I know, at this point,
So share the goodies.
we're sharing it.
Make it come. Let's
We're
have
sharing
fun.
it. So send my own. Okay. So
All right. While Tom 27, he had a goodwill bailout because of an earlier announcement, and of course, it's very, very interesting. So, football mounts is easy. You are making mounts. These are the people that will win and all that. Superbru brought evidence, so you just come and join. It's very simple. The Oracle is still on. They can still DG. They can still.
yeah.
right?
So the second games of the tournament, second game 2 of the tournament for all teams. Predict a way. Might
Predict
just
a
be
way.
your this round might actually be your round.
And if you have not joined, yes, you can still get a passport.
Yes.
Yes, from the Oracle, and of course, from there they'll take you. You get
You
a
get
country or
yes.
even a dual citizenship.
Yes.
And
Yes.
then you can then join the Superbru and predict. We're ending the show right now. Before we go, your round 1 best team.
Round 1 best team Argentina.
Round 1 best team.
Germany.
Okay. Germany beat Curacao.
Yeah.
Small team.
Yeah. To handle business.
Okay. All right. No problem. That is how we end today's episode of a Savvy Football Walk Up Special powered by the Oracle. My name is Cosmos. Simi joined us today and he had a very beautiful debut.
It was
And-
nice being a part of the family.
And somehow he agreed with this man.
Not entirely.
This is a man that has very good taste.
Very good taste.
Yes.
Not like Fumbi that is
I didn't say
coming
that.
home.
I didn't say that. I didn't say
It's
that.
coming home.
I can't wait to meet Fubi.
Fubi.
Fubi, don't worry, I'm here for you.
Fumbi, we need you to come back. All right, we'll be back next time, and certainly keep playing, use your Oracle, join the Predict and Win, and of course, there are a lot of prizes for you to win, like the 4 that have won the prizes. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Cheers.